Hello, are you birds lover? Then here it is, you can learn, embrace the painting of birds using acrylic colors. I wonder how many of you visit bird sanctuary or park nearby you to enjoy the beauty of it. Please comment in the comment section. I am painting white-naped crane of 𝙗𝙞𝙘𝙗 Bay, South Korea. First, paint the background with white paint and shade it with grey in the middle of the page to distinguish it from sky and land. Then, draw black grayish vertical lines to show it as trees, followed by cranes in black color. If you want, you can give it white shades on it. I painted on both sky and land as a reference photo. Okay, I suggest you to visit nature parks because it helps your mind and enhance your mood. I know in this busy world it is difficult to spend your time like this, but I really hope you make it. Now, using cotton or sponge, tap red or orange shades for small grasses on ground. This finishes the whole painting. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from me, and it looks simple. If possible, tag or DM me after you draw it so that I will know, and also any queries are accepted. Thank you. Bye guys.